All right, guys, we have a lot of polish to go over today. Now, let me give you some background. Oh, also, hello, hi. Thank you for clicking on my video. Welcome back or welcome to the channel if you're new here. There's a lot of stuff. So let me give you some background as to what this is. I bought these polishes a long time ago. And I've been meaning to share them with you. But always new releases come up. And by the time I'm done reviewing spring, we already have summer, and by the time I'm done reviewing summer, we already have fall coming up. Like, it's always trying to show you guys the latest, and I hadn't had a chance to share these. Now, I bought some of these at Walmart. I think this collection was from Walmart, and then the rest I bought it from HD. I think it's HB. Larissa, you don't even know your own affiliates. HB Beauty Bar. I think it's what they're called. I'm gonna put it here. And I bought it there just as a customer, not as a discount or anything. And then months later, I actually reached out to them and I said, to see if I could set up some sort of an affiliate code. And I actually did go ahead and set that up weeks ago and still hadn't had a chance to share these with you. So anyways, that's the backstory. There's 3 different collections. We're gonna go over them because these are $3 online. And on top of that, there's a 20% code. And if you catch them at Walmart, while you're walking around, they might be even cheaper. So good options here. Let's get into the polishes. All right, so the first collection we have here is a line that they call Hypno, and they're meant to be holographic. Now, some of them don't have any holo at all. They're like a shimmer. I don't know why they're called holographic. As a matter of fact, now that I'm looking at it, very few of them actually have any holo glitter at all, but we're just gonna call them shimmers. I don't even think they're thick enough to be glitters. I think they're delicate. So they're shimmers. So let's see what we have here. Now, these are kind of sheer bases, but they build up a little bit. Oh, actually, this one might have some little bit of holo in there. And the caps have the same color as the polish, which I think is super cute. But yeah, these are meant to be kind of sheer, but the shimmer, you can also layer them on top of creams, which is very fun. And again, for the price, these are like $3 at full price. Add to that any coupons, add to that the fact that you might get it on sale at Walmart, drugstores, or I don't know, All right, let's get started. Ooh, this is pretty. I haven't even opened most of these. And now let me show you guys, since we always talk about brushes. The brushes from LA Colors are not the best, okay? They're kind of short. At least they're not super thin. And they're cut evenly, but they have that straight cut and it doesn't fan out as softly as other brands maybe, But hello, for the price, we need to take that into consideration, okay? Let me zoom in. All right, this first one is called Dazed, and I'm just gonna do quick, quick swatches, and then I'll do second coats off camera. This is pretty. And $3. I keep thinking of the price because it matters. I'm not gonna judge a $3 polish the same as a $20 polish. Hello. This one seems to be the same one, but in gold, and it's called Divine. Let's see. Ooh, okay. The brush, like I said, is very straight. So if you have a rounded cuticle line like I do, you're gonna have to do the little trick of your incline, and you see how I'm letting the corner guide the line instead of going straight like that? You let the corner guide the line. But hey, get a clean up brush. Again, these are $3, and this is gorgeous, I have to say. Wow. Okay, let's go on to the next one. This one's called Surreal. Beautiful mermaid, unicorn vibes immediately. But you guys can see how they're on the sheer side. Now this one's a little bit more opaque, and it's probably gonna build up to opacity. So I'm gonna be doing second coats off camera. I don't want to bore you, but this is beautiful, you guys. Seriously. Okay. Up next we have Paranoia. Let's see what you got. Oh, this brush is wonky. This is not that pretty. I don't like this one. It's kind of you see how it's cut weird? The brush is cut weird and the color's kind of it's not red, it's not orange. But anyways, some people might like it. I don't like it. It looks like dirt or something. Let me do second coats. All right, here we have the second coats, and you guys can see they build up a little bit, but you still see nail line, okay? So these are gonna probably be very, very good layered on top of creams. We're gonna try some later. But from these 3, I like this 3, I don't like this one. So I'm gonna separate the ones that I like from the ones that I don't like. All right, let's go on to the next one. This one's called Euphoric. Let's see what you got. Oh, This is nice. A little bit sheer on the first. Well, it's not that sheer actually. What am I saying? I was gonna say a little bit sheer on the first coat, judging it by being what, like an opaque polish. It's not sheer. It's actually pretty opaque for what it is. It's a jelly base. Up next we have Wonder. Very beautiful purple because it has blue glitters. This is a gorgeous combination. Wow. Okay. And this one I love. I already know. Sentiment. Oh, beautiful. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then the last one from this set is called Voodoo. The formulas are good. So even if the brush is a little like cut in not my favorite way and wonky sometimes, they apply perfectly nice. Perfectly nice. Perfectly well. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, let me do second coats. All right, these two got a lot of opacity on that second coat. These two are still a little bit sheer, but so beautiful. Okay, from this set, these two are my favorite. These two are after them, but not bad. They're not like this previous one that I really didn't like. I like all of these, but these two, definitely my fave. All right, say for example, you grab a cream polish. This one's a little Zoya that I had handy here, Pluto. And we're gonna put this on top just to see what happens, right? I wanna show you guys, for my people that might not be used to layering. You add this to any cream color and you got yourself a party on your nails, okay? So just keep that in mind. You can play with all of these and put them on top of solid colors. See, so if you compare it by itself versus with the blue under, you have yourself a different look, okay? All right, so that was the Hypno set, Hypnotic, Hypno, Holographic, whatever set. Again, I will link everything in the description, organized with like links of the different collections. And now let's go on to the next one. All right, up next we have the Boho Chic collection. I hope I'm saying that right. Let me tell you, this release, I think it was last year, and they sent it to a bunch of people as PR, and I was drooling over it. I think I am on LA Colors PR list, but I think I was dropped. I don't really know. I can never keep up. Sometimes these brands add you, removed you, add you. I don't know. All I know is that they sent it to everybody and their moms, and I didn't get it. And I was like, I love it. I want it. So I bought it. This is one of those that I bought a long time ago, but I hadn't reviewed it because I just didn't have time. I don't know. It just slipped my mind. It is gorgeous. So let's get into them because these colors, you guys, oh my God, I'll show you. All right. First up, we have Rose Quartz. Let's see what we have here. Oh my God, they're so cute. I don't even know how the formulas are. I don't remember. This one's giving me like a curly kind of vibe. These brushes are not very soft, so if you play with it too much, you end up like scraping the polish a little bit. Up next, we have Western Boots. I love this collection. It is so good for me. I love that they're creams too. Like, I love creams. I enjoy all polishes, but creams are like, I get very excited about them. Just the color, you know, and the formulas. This formula is fantastic, but I have a fuzzy on my nail. Okay, this was Dreamcatcher, a gorgeous mauvey purple. This collection, I have no regrets whatsoever in getting it. Like, oh, I cannot believe it took me so long to share it with you guys. Maybe you've already seen it, but look how cute that is. And then this beautiful coral, which I love corals, as you guys know, it's called Wildflowers. And I'm super excited at the price. Like, would I be this excited maybe if I had paid so much money like for them? Maybe it would be okay and expected. For $3 a pop, I actually paid less because I used a coupon. I don't remember how much I paid. It was so cheap. But look at that. Come on. That's perfect. Let me do second coats and I'll show you. Okay, here are second coats, and these three are perfection. There's nothing. Like, get yourself a cleanup brush so you can clean up the edges because you know the brushes, whatever. This one, I think this one will take a third coat, but it's weird because it's very easy to work with. So I would normally say, like, come on, if you need 3 coats, just get another polish. But for $3, baby, I would do a third coat. Like, and it's easy to work with. Like, sometimes coats are annoying to apply. This one's very easy, and I don't know, just gorgeous. Let's go on to the next 4. All right, up next we have Horizons. Let's see. I think I should zoom in a little bit. I don't know. Ooh, beautiful. But okay, maybe a little bit sheer, streaky-ish. Beautiful color. Formulas. Okay, I have to do a second coat and see. Next up we have Moon, which is this gorgeous gray. A little bit curly sheerish, not too pigmented, I would say. Not like the previous ones. Just gonna build up. I know it. This is my worst finger. The ridges on this one are really challenging. Journey, this gorgeous teal. It's giving squishy, curly vibes. You can see my nail line a little bit. Maybe not on the video, but it's a gorgeous color. It's very easy to apply, as you saw, but it doesn't have the same kind of like opaque thing as this and the other coral. So it will need 2 coats, but very easy. Very easy. And up next we have the yellow, which is Monarch. Let's see. Ooh, very nice for yellow. Very like smooth. It's gonna need a second coat. They also self-level kind of nicely. All right, now once it dries and the polish really sits into the ridges is when you can see. Now, if I had worn a ridge filling base coat, you wouldn't see these lines. This is my nail, okay? If you notice, if I were to do this polish on this nail, you wouldn't see these lines. That's what I'm saying. Let me do a second coat and I'll show you. All right, so I did second coats. This and this are completely opaque. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. This one, I think when it dries, you're still gonna be able to see bold spots. And this one, when it dries, I think you're still gonna be able to see ridges that you have. Kind of like a curly / milky, you know, feel to them. It's not an opaque cream. All right, these are awesome. I'm so glad I got them. And let me think. One thing I wanted to mention, remember, gel-like shine is gel-like. This has nothing to do with gel. This is a regular polish. Don't get confused by this. You can use any base coat and top coat you want. Okay, so love this. Love this. All of them. I don't even care if some of them are a little bit not completely opaque, you know. Also, let's take a second for the caps being the same color as the bottle. That is like really nice. You know, one thing I really like about that HB Beauty Bar is that they have all of them. They don't have 3. They don't have, you know, 7 and 1 sold out. They have the collections in full. Now, I don't know, obviously, how long that's gonna last, but I was very glad to find them. I think, imagine how long ago I bought some of these, that I think I grabbed them on like a Black Friday. So this could have been in my desk since like November. Who knows? I don't remember, but I think I got them on Black Friday. All right, this next collection, I'm gonna put the name down here. I have no idea if that word is a YouTube-friendly word or not, and I'm not trying to get flagged. But this, as you can see, is very beautiful, a bunch of neutrals. So let's get into them. And HB Beauty Bar also has all of them. Still, I just checked. All of these are still available, which is great. You can buy them individually. I don't think they have sets, but you know, it's fine. Just add them to cart if you want. All right, first up we have, I'm gonna put the name. Again, I'm not trying to get flagged. Wow, wow, what? What? Oh my God, I didn't expect that. That's like one coat per fraction. Damn. Okay, let me see. Up next we have Tender. This one's a lot more rosy in person than it's showing on camera. On camera it's showing completely yellow. That's not correct. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of unfair. Whichever polish lands on this finger has the worst. This finger is so bad. And then we have Dusty Rose. This is beautiful. Oh my God. So beautiful. Formula is very good. Not as opaque as the one on my pinky, but very good. Self-levels nicely. It's gonna build up nicely on that second coat, I'm sure. Delicious, beautiful little pink. Wow. Then we have Daydream. This brush has gone through it. Oh my God. This brush, poor thing. Whew. But the polish is fantastic. The brush is like, what? Are you okay? Let me do second coats off camera. All right, up next we have this. I'm gonna put it down here. Oh, this formula. Like sometimes when you open the bottle, it just tells you. It's just like telling you, I'm gonna be perfect. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful brick kind of terracotta. Oh my god, just so beautiful. This, I don't know how to say it. Ah, see, beautiful. That's a formula like this previous one where the ridges don't matter because the formula is so good. Up next we have Teddy Bear. Brushes are a little wonky, you guys, okay? But if we can get past that and just use a clean up brush, this is fantastic. This color is everything. It's showing too yellow on camera, but in person it has like a caramelly type of vibe that is, oh my god, these are so good. I can't believe it took me so long. This one's called Darling. I really can't believe it took me so long to share these with you guys, but sometimes I feel like as new things release, it's kind of like I want to show you guys things as quick as I possibly can, and then there's things that I want to show you that might not be new releases that kind of like take a back seat. But look how beautiful this is. This is like fall perfection. May I remind you, because I haven't mentioned it already like 15 times, that these are $3. All right, so this little collection, even though it's only 8, I feel like it has a big variety of neutrals, but it definitely does lean more fall-y. You know, even the lighter colors are a little bit muted. So keep that in mind, but I think it's a very, very good find. All right, guys, here you have them. That was a lot of stuff that we went through, but I think there's some really good finds for an amazing price. I will link everything down below, but also keep in mind, as you walk through Walmart, you might find these, or maybe the Walmart website, I don't know. They're available in a bunch of places. I bought them from HB Beauty Bar, which I will link down below, and I do have an affiliate code with them that gives you 20% off. That's it. Thank you so much for clicking on my review, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Bye.